You may have heard the term cash is king. This is because cash flow is an important factor for any business. My previous Nexia perspective video on grants and rebates discussed the many ways to put money into your or your client's pocket through the likes of research and development and fuel tax credits, which can help the cash flow position of the business. I'm Birch, a senior tax consultant at Nexia Australia, and I'll be looking at fuel tax credit in a bit more detail. So fuel tax credits provide businesses with a credit for the fuel tax, which is the excise or customs duty that's included in the price of fuel when you acquire it. So a business can claim credits as a rebate to recover some or all of the amount of the excise paid on the fuel that's been acquired. At Nexia, we can unlock those unrealised fuel tax credits if you're eligible to claim them going forward and in the previous 4 years. But be aware, one size does not fit all. Here at Nexia, we tailor our approach and use a technology solution to maximise your entitlements. So you need to start off by thinking, are we eligible? You have to ask yourself a couple of questions. Do you acquire fuel in your business? And do you use that fuel in your business? If you can answer yes to both of those questions, then generally you'll be eligible for fuel tax credits. You also need to be registered for GST and for fuel tax credits, as this is claimed through the BAS. Then you need to determine what type of fuel you use in your business. Now this can be liquid fuel, such as diesel or unleaded petrol, or gaseous fuel, like LPG. Then determine how you apportion that fuel for the different uses and activities within the business. So for example, if you have heavy vehicles, which are vehicles of 4.5 tonnes in weight or over, if they're driven on a public road or off a public road, you could claim 15 cents per litre or 41 cents per litre respectively. If you have auxiliary equipment on the heavy vehicles, such as lifters, cranes, refrigeration units, you can claim 41 cents per litre for powering those auxiliary equipment. Light vehicles are vehicles of 44.5 tonnes in weight or less. Those driven on road, you can't claim fuel tax credits. However, light vehicles driven off-road can claim 41 cents per litre. You may have other equipment in your business, such as generators, quad bikes, pumps, and again, you can claim 41 cents per litre for powering that equipment. So determining the correct rate is critical in calculating the fuel tax credit claim and maximising it. Record keeping is key to substantiate your fuel tax credit claim. Also, in that regard, do you have GPS on your vehicles, or are you looking to get GPS on your vehicles? If you do, our technology solution can reduce your administration time, streamline your claim preparation, and provide automated claim calculations. It could also reduce the tax risk with the ATO by helping with substantiation. Be aware that if you don't have GPS or are not looking to get it, you can still make the fuel tax credit claim. There's also the ability to do a 4-year retrospective claim for fuel tax credits you've either claimed and increasing that claim, or if you haven't claimed, actually going back and actually maximising that. So no matter how big or small your claim may be, every little helps. As my mum used to say, if you don't try, you don't get. So please contact your usual Nexia representative or contact me to discuss how to maximise your fuel tax credit claim.